numbers are coming in, right? Let me check my email. Whoa! These numbers on fire. Dallas real estate. The market analysis for July and August. Let's jump right into it. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Jordan Aubrey, real estate investor, full-time real estate investor, and you're here at the Real Estate Investing Done Right YouTube channel, where we talk about all things real estate investing, finances, money, anything you possibly talk about, and entrepreneurship that allow you to make more money in your life and ultimately allow you to keep winning in life. Hey, so if you like that type of stuff, make sure you subscribe, cut on the notification bell. That way you're notified every time we drop these gems. Let's get it rolling. So let's jump right into the Dallas numbers in July. Obviously, new listings are down 3.9% year over year. And then year to date down 7.7%. Obviously, this has been a trend every month since COVID hit. So I didn't anticipate that changing. Pending sales. Let's look at pending sales are up 4.7%. The people are still buying homes. That's the main thing that's going on right now. People are definitely still buying homes in DFW, which is great. Closed sales, is up 18% in July. That is crazy. That's a staggering number, right? I made a video talking about how hot the market is right here. That's an indication of how hot the market is right now in DFW. Year to date is just 1.1, which is still decent. You can't complain. Closed sales are up, which is a great thing. Days on market are still about the same. It's from this year to last year. It's taken about 6 weeks, which is crazy time to get a property sold, but which is good if you're a seller. It's a seller's market right now. Year to date, obviously up 2%. Median sales price up 8.1%, jumped $20,000. We was anticipating a $5,000 decrease this year, or I mean a 5% decrease this year. Now we're up 8.1% for year over year as far as month of July. And then obviously year to date, we're up 3.8%, which is still dang good. That's the increase that was the decrease I was thinking. Instead, we see it as an increase. Let's look at the percentage of original list received. So this is the price. Basically, this is the list price. Did they get the list price? And 97.2% of people get their list price in the DFW market. That is a good sign. So if you got property, put it out for sale. Somebody's buying it for what they're putting it out for sale for. A housing affordable index. That one is up 0.8%, almost 0.1 year to date, 4.4. Inventory of homes for sale is down 32%. Like I said, man, this is a big factor right now. This is the reason why a lot of people are getting their price, because there's not a lot for sale. Everybody's holding on with refinances skyrocketing. I think refinances are up like 40, 50, 60%. So with that being the case, a lot of people are holding on to their properties. A lot of people aren't electing to just sell right now. They're trying to wait and see what's going to happen. Month supply of homes for sale. It is down tremendously. 2.4 months supply of homes. I mean, the market is needing some more people to list their house. If they can't get any more, right, that number is just going to continue to drop. Right, so as real estate investors, now is the time to put those houses on the market. Now let's look at August. Whoa. Have you liked the video yet? Hope so. I'm loving everything. I'm loving all the numbers. Forget me. What about the numbers? I'm loving them. If you like the numbers, definitely hit that thumbs up. Let's keep rolling. Okay, so these numbers look a tad bit different. Obviously, it's all the same information and numbers, but the graph is a little bit different. But this is what I have for you guys right now. So we got it broken down, obviously, in the property type: single family, condos, farms, ranches, multifamily, lots, vacant land, commercial, rentals, right? You see all that to the left. Now we look at the sales. Percentage of changes a year ago. Obviously, sales are up 11%. Year ago, 23% increase. Average price, $352. Change a year ago, 11% increase, like I said earlier. Condos and townhomes, obviously these are going up. With the supply and demand so low, people are forcing to look at other options at buying the property. But obviously we see percentage of those up 23% as well. Average price up as well, which is a great number. Look at this, farms and ranches up 52%. You think that's because of COVID? Well, heck yeah, it is. That's what I'm thinking. COVID is why the farms and ranches are up 52%. Dallas was a place that you moved to go and get close to convenience, close to the malls, close to the entertainment. COVID hit and look what happens. Up 52%, which is crazy. Those are record numbers. And then you even look at 75%, a change from a year ago as far as total dollar volume. Average price is around $500,000 in this price range, and then up 15%. So let's look at multifamily. My goodness, 56 sales down 7%. I think that's because of COVID. The evictions, right? I think that's coming in hand in a lot of these commercial real estate, giving them a lot of problems right now. Obviously, prices still, sales volume still looking pretty good. Prices went up. Not a lot of sales happening, but the ones that are buying, that are selling, those prices are going up on the properties. Lots of vacant land, obviously that's going up. A lot of people are electing to build new homes, which is a great thing, and obviously it's something good that you can hold on to, because it's not going to lose a lot of value. Land typically don't lose a lot of value, and eventually it'll come back up and be worth more. Change 72%, 74%. So land has gotten a whole heck of a lot more expensive than last year, and up 7%. Average price. Commercial, which I thought commercial was going down because commercial real estate has just been taking a toll, taking a hit. So the prices are still, the sales are still around the same. The dollar volume dropped, and the average price dropped tremendously as well. So people are still buying. They're not willing to pay what they were paying before. So it's not a seller's market when it comes to commercial. I wonder, is this going to start to be a trend moving into 2021? I'll definitely keep you guys updated. But let's look at rentals. Rentals are down 8%. Dollar volume around 3%, down 3%. Average price, however, has went up in DFW, and I've noticed that. Average price for rent is $19.60, which is a big number. It's pretty good. So it's still going up on the incline. Obviously, with commercial, you get an opportunity to rent off or write off your vacant property. So maybe that's not so bad for them. They're just writing it off. But essentially, the rent is going up and making up for every dollar that they have. So that's pretty good from a rent standpoint. But that's what your market analysis is for July and August of 2020.
So tell me exactly what you think about the real estate market. Where do you think we're headed? Where do you think we are right now? What do you think next month will hold, right? Hey, I'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions, make sure you drop below. And always remember, keep winning.